Yebo, 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 welcome to Watch Me Build It. We're busy building our MB78 DIY watch kit from Namoki. This is step 2, watch me prepare my movement. And in this step, we're going to prepare our Seiko NH35 movement before we install the dial. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step. Bring your movements, and you're going to want to verify that the hand winding mechanism works. Then pull it out to the time changing position. Pay attention to this black wheel and wind on in a clockwise position. You'll see the black wheel turning slowly. I'm going to point out two parts of the black wheel. You've got these longer spikes on the right, and then you've got a small little gooseneck on the left. Watch that gooseneck as it takes a hold of the date wheel. And then we slowly, incrementally move it. And that is what flicks the date over. Now, we continue winding until that little gooseneck is about halfway around. Now it's safe to push it all the way in, click it out to the first stop, and check the short date change. Alright, everything is in order. We pull it back out to the time winding, and we wind it on to the midnight position. Same procedure as we did earlier. When it takes the date wheel, slowly incrementally click it until the date wheel flicks. There it is. Now we leave it in that position because this build doesn't have a date window. Well done.